Hello everyone, I am Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're stepping away from traditional maintenance methods and exploring the dynamic realm of augmented reality, more commonly known as AR. We'll take you through the evolution of AR in the maintenance industry, its practical applications, and how you can begin incorporating it into your operations. By the end, you'll understand how AR can revolutionize the way maintenance professionals are trained and perform their tasks. Now let's get into it. Augmented reality is a process that leverages smart technology to instruct and train maintenance professionals on how to perform crucial maintenance procedures effectively and accurately. We have moved past the era of traditional teaching methods such as training manuals, printed graphs, and materials, and even 3D models. Augmented reality levels up the process by allowing you to visualize and often virtually perform tasks by merging a computer-generated image with a real-life machine or equipment. Let's take a stroll down memory lane. The concept of augmented reality isn't new. Scientists started experimenting with AR technology back in the 1960s and 1970s. The first real AR application was seen in robotics in 1992, where computer-generated tools were used on real-life equipment to boost worker efficiency. Accelerating to the present, augmented reality is now permeating numerous industries, including maintenance. An interesting fact to note, about 30% of organizations believe existing AR solutions are ready for field service, as per AR software provider PTC. However, not all maintenance tasks are suitable for augmented reality. The best maintenance-related tasks for AR training should be procedure-based. For instance, maintenance tasks such as how to replace a crucial part on a critical asset, can be accurately and efficiently taught using AR. But general maintenance information or data does not necessitate this smart technology. Therefore, if you're a facilities manager, your focus should be on applying AR tools to train maintenance technicians to perform their tasks more consistently and precisely. You might be wondering, where do I begin with augmented reality and maintenance? The answer is straightforward. Start with your computer-aided design files. These already contain a wealth of 3D information that can be easily converted into stages, processes, and sequences. All of this data can be combined and reused to enhance efficiency in creating AR procedures. Also, prioritize your most vital assets and procedures that are most frequently performed to quickly maximize your return on investment. So, are you ready to elevate your maintenance procedures with augmented reality? Let's get started. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the evolution and application of AR in the maintenance industry and how you can start incorporating it into your operations. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, with UpKeep, you're not just maintaining, you're improving.